Hi there, let's get your screen sorted. Your inputs 1 to 4 are already linked to the hardware. And now let's see how to erase them by Web Vision Upper Controller. First, if you want a net grid, go for splicing. Pick a template and you are set. You can easily swipe which inputs goes where right inside the grid. Now, if you want more freedom, try matrix mode. Here you can just click and drag to resize any window. Want to change the signal? Just swap your inputs on the fly. For total control, there's mode view. You can move windows anywhere, resize them, or even overlap them for a picture-in-picture look. Use the checkbox at the bottom to show or hide any signal instantly. And a quick tip, when you are dragging, windows will snap right to the screen edges. For fix up perfect spots, just type in your XYWH, which stands for XY axis coordinate, and the width, height of the layout at the bottom, and hit confirmation. And that's it, you're all set. For advanced settings like image quality, input-output setup, or loading presets, stay tuned for our next MT4K series tutorial. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.